Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Kimaya and welcome to episode 2 of K Talks. Thank you so much for loving my episode 1 and here we are with episode 2. And in today's episode we are going to talk about everyone's favorite term, trendiest topic and everything that is Gen Z. And if you are born in 1997 to 2015, congratulations, you are a Gen Z like me. I just want to ask you guys one question. Are you a Gen Z or you are just born in this era? Because I think I'm both. I am a Gen Z, but also at the same time, I hate Gen Zs. And if you are like me, hit like and comment down below. So I think there are two types of Gen Zs. One is the full on Gen Z who loves the hustle life, who want to experience new things, who don't want to settle on one thing and who has a very short attention span. The second one is the hybrid Gen Z that I think I am. So hybrid Q. They are like the Gen Zs and also they are thoda sa millennials. I feel patient, calm, want stability, just they want to just relax, and at the same time they want to work, they want to experience new things, but also they settle for the tradition method also. They want to go partying, but they also want to go to mountains, hike, do physical activities, who can survive at least one day without their social media, phones, and everything. I think I can survive one day without phone. I think so, and I will definitely try that. Let me know, who are you? Are you the first type or second type like me? As I said, one thing that every Gen Z want is everything. They want to have a good life, they want to have money, they want to have peace, they want to travel, also want to have freedom, but they also kind of broke because they don't want to settle for one job, they want to do multiple things. Also they want to pull all nighters or maybe stay up late, maybe wake up late, and also we want to be healthy, we want to like do all the things. So that's why we are difficult to understand, right? Gen Z's run by social media, like social media is Gen Z's life. It has impacted us so much that we don't know, we don't even realize it, that we are going very very deep inside that, inside the world of digital online media. We don't even realize it. We see 13, 14 age kids or maybe 18 age kids making thousands of thousand bhi nahi, millions of money, which brings us who don't even earn that much, we compare ourselves with them. We feel jealous that they have been earning so much, and sometimes the earning path they choose can be wrong because for the fame, for the money, we tend, not we but this generation, some people tend to choose the wrong path, and we don't realize it, and we start to compare ourselves with them, like they are earning so much in their young age, and what, see what doing, I'm not doing anything, I'm just studying here. This is the age to study, correct? This is the age to like follow our passion, to work hard for our goals and everything, but it's up to us how we not compare ourselves, how we not be jealous of those people and just focus or on our life, correct? Also, this generation, our generation, talks about mental health, therapy, depression, anxiety, everything very khulke, which is a very good thing. We take stand for people, we take stand for things that are not right at all. But when we talk about mental health and everything, but we see other people doing things on social media, we compare them with us. So we do talk about it, but our actions speak something else. These are some negative things that we go through in our generation because of social media. I, like today only I completed watching Adolescence. I don't know the pronunciation is Adolescence or Ado, on Netflix. I'll pop the picture here, and it's so beautiful. The series. I am literally scared for our next generation because of technology. Like it's a blessing also, but it's is it will be our worst nightmare if we don't use it right. So I'm just little bit scared about our next generation, or even people right now, like our age, who have been influenced by social media. Please do watch this series, guys. I will highly recommend it. These are the negative things, but there are also positive things also about social media. So I have been following Sakit Gokhale, and I just listen to his podcast with Beer Biceps. It's like 2.5 hour long podcast, but I only listen to 1.5 hour something. I am like the other half is pending. But he said that he's also a Gen Z, but he's very, very disciplined person in his life, and I get inspired by him. He's been influencing many young generation and everything. So it's not key social media is always bad. No, if you use social media and technology good, it will definitely benefit you. And I think if it used right, then next generation will be super innovative. But yeah, this was all about the social media impact on Gen Z's and everything. I know this segment is a bit long because this is the main segment of our generation. This is the main important point of our generation, and because of that we have been like this. I love this generation because we are very smart, I think, and we know what we want in our life. And as I said, there are always two sides of the coin, so it's up to us which side we want to choose and what we want to do with our future, because at the end, this is our life and we want to survive in this world. And yeah, I just want to say that don't take wrong decisions, be you. Of course you need freedom, of course we need money, of course we need freedom, of course we don't want to settle for less because nobody want that. But always choose smartly, always think about other people too, because sometimes we forget how to be kind to other people and we just think about ourselves. But at then, please be kind to everyone in your life. Don't let anyone influence you that much. Don't let anyone get into your head. And I just want to ask, what do you think? Are you a Gen Z or are you just born in this era? Let me know if you are a full Gen Z or hybrid Gen Z. I like this word actually, hybrid Gen Z. But yeah, this was the topic for today. I hope you guys liked my video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you liked this episode. It was about us. And yeah, see you next time. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.